Good morning, ninth class. Hope you're all fine. Today we will start chapter number 5, which is cell cycle. In this chapter, we will discuss cell cycle, mitosis, phases of mitosis, significance of mitosis, meiosis, phases of meiosis, significance of meiosis, comparison between mitosis and meiosis, apoptosis and necrosis, which is a type of cell death. Okay. Let's start with today's topic, which is cell cycle. Okay, cell cycle is basically a kind of reproduction. Okay, as you know, reproduction is the most basic characteristics of life. Okay, and basically reproduction occur at different levels. For example, the part of the chromosome, they reproduce and they form new chromosome, and cells reproduce and they form new cells. And similarly, individuals they reproduce and then they form new offsprings like themselves. So different level of reproductions are at chromosome, cell, and at individual level. Cell cycle is basically is a type of cellular reproduction in which cell divide itself and produce new cells. Okay, basically the Rod of Virchow, which was important scientist, and we have discussed, he postulated in our previous class, previous chapter, he proposed important biological principles that all cells comes from pre-existing cells. Okay, new cells come from previous cells. So Rod of Virchow basically proposed this concept of cell cycle. Okay, cell cycle is a type of cellular reproduction, and it is a part of whole life of a cell, that is cell cycle. Okay, let's start our today's topic, which is cell cycle. Cell cycle is basically comprises of different events from a time cell is produced. Okay, when cell is produced and then it completes its mitosis and produce new cells. These all events comprises a cell cycle. Okay, this is basically the definition of cell cycle, and this chapter is very important regarding paper, और इसमें definitions वगैरह और इसमें different चीज़ें जो हैं वो पेपर्स में आ जाती हैं. आपने इसको अच्छे से लर्न करना, थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट है बट आपने साथ साथ इसको याद करना है, तो देन इट बिकम इजी फॉर यू. तो सो सेल साइकिल इज़ द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन विच बेसिक जो पेपर्स में पूछ लिया जाता है. सेल साइकिल बेसिकली क्या है, इज़ कंप्राइजेज ऑफ डिफरेंट इवेंट्स फ्रॉम द टाइम सेल प्रोड्यूस and then it enter into mitosis. Mitosis is basically a division phase, and then cell from mitosis it divided into two cells. These all events they comes in cell cycle. Okay, cell cycle is a series of events from a time a cell is produced until it complete mitosis and produce new cells. Okay, this is the definition of cell cycle, and then its phases. ये भी पूछ लिया जाता है, what are the two major phases of cell cycle? So two major phases of cell cycle is interphase and mitotic phase. These are the two phases of cell cycle. First phase, interphase, is long phase, and most of the time cells spend in interphase. ओके, ज़्यादातर टाइम सेल जो है वो अपना इंटरफेस में जो है वो रहता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट फेज जो है वो माइटोटिक फेज है, एंड इट इज़ रिलेटिवली शॉर्टर फेज. ओके, इसमें सेल जो है इट स्पेंड लेस टाइम. ओके, बेसिकली इन इंटरफेस एटलीस्ट सेल स्पेंड मोस्ट 90% of its time. Okay. Typically interphase lasts for at least 90% of the total time required for cell cycle. So 90% of the cell time it is cell spent in interphase. So it is a long phase. Okay, next phase, which is mitotic phase, is a shorter phase, and it's basically cell division phase. Okay, and in interphase cell basically prepare itself for division. ओके नाउ इंटरफेस की डेफिनेशन भी पेपर में पूछ ली जाती है. व्हाट इज इंटरफेस? सो इंटरफेस इज द टाइम व्हेन सेल्स मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी इज वेरी हाई एंड इट परफॉर्म इट्स वेरियस फंक्शंस. डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फंक्शंस लाइक प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, एंजाइम सिंथेसाइज होते हैं. डिफरेंट मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं वो सेल्स में हो रही होती हैं ड्यूरिंग इंटरफेस, और इसमें सेल ग्रो कर रहा होता है. सारी फेसेस जो है ये इंटरफेस में आएंगी. ओके, सो इंटरफेस इज अ टाइम व्हेन अ सेल्स metabolic activities is very high, okay, and as it performs various functions. Okay, because it is cells spend 90% of time it's in interface. It is divided into three phases. Interface is divided into three major phases: G1, S phase and G2. These are all the phases of interface. Three phases of interfaces: G1, S phase and G2 phase. G1 stands for G for gap, 1 for first. So G1 is the first gap, S for synthesis, and G2 is the second gap. So these are the different phases of interface: G1, S and G2. Okay, basically this diagrams shows cell cycle, and their different events inside cycles is shown in this diagram. These three phases, G1, S and G2 phase, these all are interphase. Okay, and second phase is the M phase, and is the phase in which cell divides itself into two cells. So these are the two major phases of cell cycle. In interphase there is G1, S and G2 phase, and in second phase, which is M phase, cell divides itself into two cells. Now first phase of cell interface is the G1 phase. This is G1 phase. Actually when cell produce and then it enter into G1 phase. First phase of the cell cycle is the G1 phase, and after its production a cell starts its cell cycle in G1 phase. In this phase different metabolic activities take place, like cell grow in size, okay, and then different types of proteins are synthesized, different organelles are synthesized like mitochondria, ribosomes, etc. These all activities take place in G1 phase. Okay, in this phase, in G1 phase, there are different enzymes. They are also synthesized, which are required for the next phase, for S phase. Okay, so all these steps take place in G1 phase. Okay, next phase after G1 phase is the S phase. This is S phase. In S phase basically chromosome duplicate. This is chromosome, it duplicate. Okay, first in G1 phase chromosome is like this. It is has only one chromatids. This is chromatids, and it is only consists of one chromatids. And in S phase, this chromosome duplicate itself and it forms two chromatids. These two sister chromatids basically form in S phase by duplication of chromosomes. Okay, this is the second phase of interphase. Okay, next phase after interphase is the G2 phase. G2 phase is basically in this phase cell grow more, okay, and there are synthesis of different proteins, which is basically required for the next phase, that is mitosis. This all occur in G2 phase. Okay, cell basically prepare itself in for M phase in G2 phase. Okay, अपने आप को prepare कर रहा होता है for the next phase, M phase के लिए in G2 phase. Okay, this all events take place in G2 phase. Okay, okay, next phase after G2 is the M phase. Okay, in M phase cell basically divide itself. Now this is a cell in this is in G2 phase, and now when a cell enter into M phase, it divide into two cells. Okay, so basically in M phase, cell divide it into two daughter cells. Okay, so these are all the different phases of cell cycle. Okay, I think for today is enough. Learn these phases and practice the diagrams, and these are very important regarding papers में definitions वगैरह पूछ लिए जाते हैं. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में भी आ जाता है कि व्हाट इज एक्सप्लेन सेल साइकिल, उसके डिफरेंट फेसेस आ जाती हैं. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर रिगार्डिंग पेपर. वैसे भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इन बायोलॉजी दिस चैप्टर. ओके, लर्न दिस चैप्टर डेली. इसको साथ साथ लर्न करें, साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करें डायग्राम की, और साथ साथ अपना प्रीवियस जितना भी हमारा कोर्स है उसको भी रिवाइज करते रहें. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.